So you've ordered your plants online, but you're not quite sure what to do once they arrive. We'll show you the best way to care for your new plants as soon as they turn up. First step is take them out of the box and say hello. Your plants have been on a roadie and they're probably a bit thirsty from their adventure. Fill your sink or a bucket with a few centimetres of water and place your plants in so they can soak up the water from their roots. Just let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. If you haven't got your pots sorted or your backyard prepped for planting yet, no worries. These guys will survive in their tubes for months. Just make sure you keep the water up to them and give them some form of sunlight.